What's up, everybody? Patreon request today, Mr. Tanaka from Cyberpunk. Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we can see shades, but eyes in underneath the shades. So we go with the eyes first. Center point here, come up over to the right, and we will go diagonal. So we go diagonal. Serious looking dude, right? So diagonal and then kind of down-turned eyes, it looks like. And then comes in, back up, into there. His iris just a sort of a semicircle looking up there. Can't see eyelid lines because of the glasses, but we can see his eyebrows, kind of. Well, guess we gotta do the glasses first. So we just do the other eye, right? So we go diagonal. You're about eye width. So the distance between those is an eye. So that space fits there. That's like the between the tear ducts. You can fit an eye, another eye, right? And then this comes down again. Sort of slanted downwards. And then bottom comes across and into there. And then iris, sort of a half circle just in there. So those glasses, right? So we basically have like the bit that comes across his nose just here. Right, and it kind of like comes up and over the nose, down. And then the real slender sort of rectangle frames, I think. I don't know if they're like all part of like the one. They look all part of the one. So this comes across here. When I say all part of the one, I just mean they look like they're just all made of the same material. Like this whole thing is just black or gray. Like a really dark gray. Comes across. Down. Back towards the nose. And then the bit that goes behind the ear. Okay, so he's frowning pretty heavy, right? So it goes sort of in behind the glasses, back up, and down to there. You want to just have a space that's wider at the front. And we do the same over the other side. And then he's got these sort of frown lines. And there's frown lines here, like I think it's part of his cyberpunk sort of, you know, upgrades that he has. That they all have in Cyberpunk. And then he seems to have some cheekbone lines. At least I think that's what they are. And then his nose, so brackets just here for the nostrils. And then it comes down around the middle, back up to there. And the tip of the nose, like so. Real cranky dude, so like real flat mouth, but downturned in the corners, which, you know, your mouth usually is like underneath your iris. So like there and say there, right? And you just go kind of flat across because he's real grumpy. And then there's all these lines on his face. Like that at first. Just widening this iris a bit just to match the other one. And chin, real square. Square chin. And then this goes up for his jaw, like so. Bum, 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 bum. And like roughly eyes to the bottom of nose, about the same as bottom nose to chin. So that is about the same, right? So say top eyelid to nostril, say, about the same as nostril to chin. There, there, roughly the same. And then we can see, so like we can see his ears coming out from the glasses area. So, and there is all these sort of lines and stuff for the ear lines. And then more cyberpunk details, you know, this little boxes that are kind of red. There's like another one here. And then on his head as well. So side of his head is shaved, right? So it just kind of goes up that way. And then his hairline is parted here, a little V there. And in general, your forehead's about the same size as your nose. So nose, forehead, about the same. And then that little V is just over the nostril here, the inside of the nose here. And then we can go like so. And then this goes like down this way. And then there's like another, so his fringe, I think, goes this way, down, like that. Could have some sort of texture lines and stuff in here. And then another sort of red cyberpunk detail here. And on this side too. And the rest of his hair, so we just got like these sort of hair spikes kind of sticking out there. And then we go up, around, down. And there's like a part in his hair here, which sort of bumps around the other side then. And this is just like textures and stuff all on this. Just to give the direction of the hair a bit. Maybe another little bump just back here. I think it should be a bit higher up. Right, so his neck, very wide, comes from the ears. And he's got like a red collar that comes around and goes down to a bow tie sort of situation, right? So this comes across here. Down. And then I think there's a bow tie coming across here. But it looks like it's all part of the one suit, so I don't know what way. I imagine that's a bow tie. But who knows? With Cyberpunk, it's hard to know. So we'll just bring this down this way. I think it's either part of the suit or like part of a bow tie. And then this goes down out to there. There's all these like little details. So like this wing sort of goes out that way. And then the other side, really wide shoulders. Because he's got like a suit on. It's like a red edge. And like another little section there. Lots of the details. You can do as much of this as you want, really. So there's like, it's either his skin or part of his shirt. There, another line on top. Another grey box area here. And then red. And red, grey, black. That's skin, I think. That's everything. Mr. Tanaka from Cyberpunk. Thanks for the request, Emmanuel, on Patreon, and thanks for the continued support over there, my guy. Anyone else with requests that they really, really want me to do? Missed the line there, sorry. Head over to Patreon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Or super thanks on YouTube. See you in the next one. Bye.